Would you prefer to study smarter or harder? Sounds like an easy question, but I can assure you that most students actually don't work as effectively and as efficiently as they could. Most students write study notes and read them multiple times before an exam. Unfortunately, this has been proven as one of the worst ways to remember your notes. Hi, my name's Jodie and I'm a qualified teacher at Maths Words Not Squiggles. Today we are going to look at the learning pyramid known as the cone of learning. This model shows us the different levels of retention based on different studying methods. The first 4 levels are passive learning methods, which means you can do these tasks independently. This can be compared to the bottom 3 levels, which are active learning methods, which require communication and collaboration with others. Most students engage in the lecture steps in class, which is when your teacher initially explains the concept. Then there's often a PowerPoint slide, textbook page or image which reinforces this concept, satisfying the audio visual. Finally, the demonstration step is achieved through completing homework or various learning tasks. After all this, we are only progressed to here on our learning pyramid. What we notice is we aren't even close to sufficient memory retention. If we can't remember more than 50% of the concepts, we are going to struggle to get more than 50% in our exams. The good news is we can complete the final 3 steps of the pyramid to convert knowledge to our long-term memory by engaging in discussions with friends or family, practicing concepts through completing questions and experiments, as well as teaching others. You can complete the critical final steps in the pyramid. It has been proven that students can remember up to 90% of the concept by teaching other people. When you remember 90% of your notes, achieving 90% in exams seems much more manageable. So, have you been studying harder or smarter?